Welcome to the ultimate guide to automotive marketing strategies. Today, we'll explore key insights and strategies to navigate the dynamic landscape of automotive marketing, from historical perspectives to cutting-edge digital innovations. Let's start with a historical perspective. Automotive marketing has evolved from print and TV ads to digital and social media strategies. Understanding this evolution is crucial. Consumer behavior has changed dramatically. Today, buyers conduct online research and even take virtual test drives before visiting showrooms. This shift demands targeted marketing. A data-driven approach is essential. Leveraging data analytics and customer insights allows for precise audience targeting, ensuring marketing efforts reach the most receptive segments. Personalization is key. Tailoring marketing messages to individual preferences enhances customer engagement and fosters a deeper connection with the brand. Effective segmentation techniques based on demographics, psychographics, and behavioral patterns allow for more personalized and impactful marketing campaigns. Crafting a compelling brand story is vital. A unique narrative that resonates with the target audience establishes a strong emotional connection and fosters brand loyalty. Differentiation strategies help position your brand distinctively. Identifying and communicating unique selling propositions sets you apart in a crowded market. Building trust and credibility through transparent communication, customer testimonials, and social proof enhances your brand's credibility and influences purchase decisions. Competitor benchmarking provides valuable insights. Analyzing competitors' marketing strategies, strengths, and weaknesses helps refine and optimize your approach. A SWOT analysis evaluates your brand's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, aiding in identifying areas for improvement and capitalizing on market opportunities. Search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial. Keyword research and optimization enhance visibility and search engine rankings, driving organic traffic to your website. Local SEO strategies, such as Google My Business optimization and location-based keywords, increase visibility in local search results and drive foot traffic to dealerships. Pay-per-click (PPC) advertising is effective. Designing targeted ad campaigns based on user intent, demographics, and behavior ensures your ads reach the most relevant audiences. Optimizing ad copy and landing pages for conversions improves PPC campaign effectiveness and maximizes return on ad spend. Social media marketing is essential. Identifying suitable platforms and developing a content strategy that aligns with your brand's image and values is crucial. Collaborating with influencers and industry experts amplifies your brand's reach, credibility, and engagement within the automotive community. Implementing marketing automation tools and CRM systems streamlines processes, personalizes customer interactions, and nurtures leads effectively. Creating a seamless omni-channel experience across digital and physical touchpoints ensures consistent brand messaging and enhances customer satisfaction. Interactive virtual showrooms and augmented reality experiences provide immersive opportunities for customers to explore and interact with automotive products. Utilizing attribution models and conducting comprehensive ROI analysis informs strategic marketing decision-making and optimizes campaign performance. Looking ahead, anticipate the rise of electric vehicles and develop innovative marketing strategies tailored to EVs, emphasizing their environmental and technological benefits. In conclusion, by understanding the evolving automotive market, implementing effective digital strategies, and prioritizing customer engagement and analytics, automotive brands can thrive in today's competitive landscape.